Alright, so just a quick little update. I dropped my camera, it fell, and the lens kind of got messed up, so I'm not able to vlog with that camera right now. So I'm going to be using my iPhone. So excuse all of the craziness right here. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys a quick meal prepping video. This video is really like last minute. I've already made the yams and I just decided, what the heck, why don't I just film this? I'm actually going to be prepping for about 2 to 3 days worth. I pretty much meal prep every Sunday and every Wednesday just so that the food's still kind of fresh. I don't know if you guys noticed, but in all of my videos, I always leave the fridge open. I shut it and look, see, this one's already popping open. I'm going to be using this scale that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just a little simple scale. There was digital one. I didn't get that just because I was barely starting out and I wanted to see. I like this one. It works really good, but I think next time I am going to get a digital one. I don't know. I just feel like it's fancier, but I mean, this one works too. And it was only $5, so why not? So let's see, I'm gonna take 4 ounces of yams and put that on the side. Almost. Just cut this in half. Okay, I think that's good. So yeah, 4 ounces. So I put the paper inside just so it could soak up any more of the moisture from when it was boiling. I do boil this until it gets really soft, as you can see how the fork goes right through it. So let's see. I already got like, what the fuck? I keep hearing banging on the door and it's scaring me. So anyways, yeah, I made this snack for later or right now. I'm not too sure when I'm gonna eat it. Maybe right now, kind of hungry. But yeah. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding some cinnamon. The cinnamon makes it really good. I honestly see this as like a little dessert type of thing. You guys are gonna absolutely love this. It's so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and weigh the rest out and place them inside the little meal trays. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my Pollo Asada. And yeah, I will show you how that goes. All right, so I got my chicken in here. All the steam. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut up this asparagus. Well, first I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna cut it and go ahead and put it inside of the pan over there with some garlic salt. So I am going to be chopping up some asparagus. Let's wash it first. So healthy food fun fact. Did you guys know that you technically don't have to cut off the end of asparagus with a knife? You could just break it off or just snap it and it breaks off wherever, what is it called? The unhealthy part, or I don't know. The part you would cut off, it breaks off on its own. So if you notice, I'm trying to break it up here. Well, that was a fail. And it does not break. But if I bend it over here, I didn't know that. I just learned that the other day. So I got all the ends cut off. Now I'm just gonna throw some garlic salt on top of it. 0 calories. You can never have enough of this. Especially if you guys don't like veggies and you wanna season it. So just do it. You gotta try it. You guys gotta try different seasonings just to see what you like. But make sure you guys stick with 0 calorie seasoning. Most of them is 0 calories anyways. So let's go ahead and let's get these in there. And we're gonna let that steam. So the chicken's almost done. I'm about to get started on weighing it out. And then I will show you guys what everything looks like once it's put in there. Opens the fridge because good lighting. Why not? All right. Yeah, vlogging on my camera, vlogging on my phone sucks. I got very used to my camera. I really like it a lot. That's funny. The phone's good too, but I don't know. I just love my camera. It's smaller, better to film with. It's my comfort cami. So anyways, this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys liked this whole meal that I prepped. It is really good. I still haven't gotten tired of it. What I do is I'll just have the same thing. I'll switch up the meat and I'll do regular chicken breast, or I'll make chicken fajitas with bell pepper, or I will do what I did and do the Pollo Asada. So that is what I'm showing you, because it's really, really good. Honestly, if you guys make it and you try it, it's not even gonna, you're gonna be like, what? This is healthy? This is easier than I thought. Because honestly, that's what I'm thinking. Like, this is all kinds of, everything that I make is pretty healthy and it's always in my calorie range. And like, I've been seeing really good results with all these recipes that I've been making. So yeah, you guys should try them. They're really good and they're not as bad as you would think. I feel like the word healthy scares everyone and automatically makes them think that it's nasty. But it's not. It's really good. Let me know if you guys try it and if you like it. And if you guys do end up making it, please, please, please send me your pictures. I want you guys to know that every time you guys tell me that I motivate you and that you support me by watching my videos, that really, take that to heart, because I feel like people don't really show that they support you, you know. People just, in their mind, they're like, oh, that's cool, support you, blah, blah, blah. But they don't really like show no action to it. So all the people that have been writing me, letting me know that I'm doing a good job at all these videos and how I motivate them, thank you so much. It just makes you want to like, it just makes me want to keep filming all of these cool videos for you guys. And yeah, it makes me really happy that you guys are watching and I'm actually helping you guys get motivated and wanting to eat healthy. Alright, so as always, whenever I'm always, I always say always. Okay, so as always, whenever I'm done cooking something that has water or a lot of moisture, or like such as this chicken, I feel like it has grease on it still. I don't really like that. So I'm going to be putting the meat on a paper towel and I'm just going to be drying it. Then I will be weighing it. Alright, so I got 4 ounces in there. Wow. I ended up putting 6 Asparagus Spears in there. This is what the finished product looks like. Yams and cinnamon, some chicken, and 6 Asparagus Spears. Nothing too crazy. But you guys can always mix it up and always throw in some rice, a different kind of meat, different kind of veggies. Yeah, whatever you guys want to do. That is it. Also, real quick, you guys can purchase these little meal trays at Dollar General. That's what I got them from. It came in a pack of 3. Highly recommend them. Keeps your food organized. And yep. Now, after I do this, I let them cool down, put them in the fridge, and then I am ready to eat them tomorrow. You see how easy that is? I pretty much made all of this just as long as it would take to make a meal for myself. So highly recommend that you meal prep. You could get all of it done. I have enough meals for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 to 6 days in advance. So to me that is crazy, and yeah, I don't have to cook for a few days, and I really like it like that. I pretty much, like I'll make this and then I'll make some spaghetti squash also so that I could have those 2 meals. And then for my other meal during the day, I'll pretty much just make something really quick. But for the most part, I like to have at least 1 or 2 things ready, just in case, like if I'm busy and I don't have time to cook nothing, I can just grab it and go. Or when I'm really hungry after a workout, I don't have to wait to make it. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm still in my gym clothes and it is 12:34 a.m. There's a fridge again. But I'm out here trying to get these vlogs done for you guys because apparently I'm motivating you guys and you guys motivate me to wanting to keep motivating you. I don't know. But yeah, I will see you guys next week.